Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Tyler candle is probably one of the most sought-after and luxurious home fragrance experiences available, offering a sophisticated scent profile that transforms any space into an oasis of elegance and comfort, making it a must-have for those who appreciate the finer things in life and desire a truly immersive aromatic journey that lingers beautifully. Number 5. High Maintenance Wash Luxury Laundry Detergent. Introducing High Maintenance Wash, the ultimate luxury laundry detergent. Achieve a superior clean that elevates your fabrics. Our advanced formula is tough on stains but gentle on your most delicate garments. It preserves color and texture wash after wash. Infused with a subtle, sophisticated fragrance, it leaves your clothes smelling as good as they look. Enjoy a truly elevated laundry experience. For those who demand the best, this detergent offers unparalleled performance. It's the perfect choice for maintaining your luxury wardrobe. Make laundry day a ritual of care and refinement. Experience the difference that true luxury makes for your clothes. What we like. This laundry detergent offers a luxurious wash experience. If you're looking for a way to elevate your everyday laundry routine and keep your clothes smelling amazing, this is the one. It's perfect for those who appreciate a touch of indulgence in their home care. What people say. It cleans very well and makes the clothes soft and static-free, but my favorite part of it is the smell. It's wonderful. And it lasts. I absolutely love the scent, last all day. This pleasing aromatic scent lasts for days and will leave people wondering who smells so good. A little goes a long way. Number 4. Magnificent 101 Long-Lasting Pure White Sage Candle. Introducing the Magnificent 101 Long-Lasting Pure White Sage Candle. This 6-ounce candle offers a 35-hour burn time, perfect for cleansing and calming your space. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This aromatherapy candle enhances well-being and brings positive energy into daily life, making it ideal for any occasion. Crafted from organic soy wax, this candle is free from petroleum and paraffin. Its marshmallow lemon scent harmonizes your space and supports energy cleansing with the aroma of sage. Enjoy up to 35 hours of burn time with this pure white sage candle. It fills your home with positive energy and chakra healing while maintaining a sustainable, chemical-free environment. Elevate your space with this white sage candle, perfect for meditation or smudging rituals. It helps cleanse and attract your desired outcomes, raising love and positivity. Use this candle to release negativity and gain clarity. It's ideal for setting intentions for personal or professional growth, helping to focus energy towards your goals. What we like. This candle is crafted from organic soy wax for a clean burn. If you are seeking to create a calming and positive atmosphere in your home, especially for meditation or cleansing rituals, this is an excellent choice. Its long-lasting scent and natural ingredients make it ideal for mindful living. What people say. Made with 100% natural soy wax, burns cleanly with no smoky residue. White sage aroma is pure, not overpowering, subtle enough to burn anytime, but still clearly effective. Long burn time, 6 ounces lasts about 35 hours, making it incredibly cost-effective for ritual use. Number 3. Tyler Glamour Wash Laundry Detergent High Maintenance. Discover the ultimate laundry experience with our high-maintenance Glamour Washington. It's designed to keep your fabrics looking and feeling luxurious, wash after wash. This powerful formula tackles tough stains while preserving the vibrant colors of your clothes. Experience a new level of clean that pampers your garments. Elevate your everyday routine with a detergent that brings a touch of luxury to your laundry. It leaves behind a subtle, sophisticated fragrance that lasts. Our carefully crafted detergent is gentle on fabrics but tough on dirt. Enjoy brilliantly clean clothes without compromising their integrity. Each bottle contains 32 fluid ounces of our premium formula, ensuring you have plenty for all your laundry needs. Get ready for a truly glamorous clean. What we like. Experience a truly glamorous clean with this laundry detergent. If you desire your laundry to not only be impeccably clean but also to carry a sophisticated and captivating fragrance, this product is for you. It's perfect for those who want their linens and clothes to feel and smell luxurious. What people say. The smell is heavenly and I use it on my whites. Everyone loves my face cloths and bed sheets. Good quality, the concentration is thick and makes my laundry clean and crisp. The scent is wonderful and just makes you smile when you smell it. It also makes the laundry soft. The fragrance is absolutely divine, a rich, floral, and woody blend with hints of patchouli and vanilla, topped off with a warm, musky undertone. It strikes the perfect balance between being sophisticated and comforting. The scent lingers on fabrics long after they've dried, leaving my laundry smelling luxurious for days. Number 2. Tyler Candle Co. High Maintenance Glamorous Wash 64 ounces. Experience the ultimate in-home fragrance with our signature scented detergent. It's designed to leave your fabrics feeling incredibly soft and smelling divine. Our exclusive high-maintenance scent offers a captivating aroma that transforms your laundry routine. Enjoy a touch of glamour with every wash. This large 64-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty of your favorite detergent on hand. It's perfect for keeping your home consistently fresh and inviting. Formulated to be tough on stains but gentle on your most delicate items. It cleans effectively while preserving the integrity of your fabrics. Make every day feel special with the luxurious scent and superior cleaning power. It's more than just laundry, it's an experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This glamorous wash is a perfect choice for anyone who appreciates fine fragrances and a touch of luxury in their home. What we like? This larger size offers exceptional value for a premium laundry experience. If you are a frequent user and love the signature scent, this option provides a more economical way to keep your fabrics smelling divine. It's ideal for households that want to maintain that luxurious fragrance consistently. What people say. The scent lasts for a whole week on my bed linens. A small amount of detergent is all it takes. Smells so good and makes your clothes smell wonderful. Love this product. A little goes a long way. I use it with unscented laundry soap as this product is strong and high quality. Number 1. Tyler Glamorous Wash High Maintenance Laundry Detergent. Elevate your everyday with our premium laundry detergent. It's designed to bring a touch of luxury to your washing routine. Indulge in a captivating fragrance that lingers. This detergent leaves your clothes smelling exquisite, like a fine perfume. Our formula is tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. It ensures your delicate garments are cared for while being thoroughly cleaned. Specially crafted for your most cherished items. Use it for everything from silks to linens to keep them looking their best. Don't let the compact size fool you. This concentrated detergent offers powerful cleaning and a delightful scent in every wash. For those who appreciate the finer things, this is the perfect choice for maintaining your high-quality wardrobe with ease. What we like? This compact size is perfect for trying out the luxurious scent or for smaller households. If you're looking for a way to add a touch of glamour to your laundry without committing to a large bottle, or if you travel frequently and want your clothes to smell amazing, this is the ideal choice. It's great for sampling or for those with limited storage space. What people say. If this is your type of scent, you will love the strength and longevity of this detergent. I used about an ounce in a small load and I'm smelling it on my clothes all day. This small bottle of clothes wash lasts forever cause only a very small amount is needed in each wash. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.